What does Porsche, Lamborghini, Audi, BMW, and Koenigsegg have in common? Every one of these car brands is respected for their amazing sounds. Meet Akrapovich, the hidden hero behind the scenes of automotive greatness. While these iconic cars steal the spotlight, Akrapovich dances in the shadows, fine-tuning the symphony of sound that accompanies each rev. Their exhaust systems aren't just engineering marvels. They're works of art, transforming metal and air into automotive symphony. So, the next time you're captivated by the sound of a high-performance car, remember the unsung heroes behind the scenes, Akrapovich, the architects of automotive greatness.